Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to use UPBASE for client project management. Firstly, log into your UPBASE account. Now, this step is crucial because it's your gateway to all the fantastic project management tools UPBASE has to offer. Once you're logged in, head over to the Projects tab. Here, you'll find a list of all your ongoing projects. But why are we doing this? It's because we want to keep track of everything happening in our project universe. Now that we've done that, click on the Add New Project button. This is where you insert all the details about your new client project. This helps us because it allows us to customize our project specifications, ensuring we're tailoring our work to meet our client's unique needs. Next up, invite your team members to the project. You can do this by clicking on the Invite Team button. The reason we do this is to ensure that everyone who needs to be in the loop is in the loop. Once you've invited your team, assign tasks to them. To do this, click on the Assign Tasks button, then select the team member and specify the task. This is important because it gives everyone a clear idea of what they're responsible for, ensuring the project runs smoothly. Lastly, monitor your project's progress. You can do this by clicking on the Project Progress tab. Let me explain why this matters. It matters because it gives us a real-time overview of how our project is progressing, helping us identify any issues early and address them promptly. And that's it. You've successfully set up a client project on UPBASE. Remember, effective project management is all about staying organized and keeping everyone on the same page. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.